The technician should wear the anti-static band. Remove the screws from one of the keypads and remove the keypad. And keep in mind, there's a cable connecting it to the machine. Make sure to carefully detach that connector. Turn the machine around, lock it down, and remove the second keypad. We recommend locking the machine in place to make removal of screws easier. Again, carefully detach the second connector. Now, remove the screws from each side panel. If necessary, detach the wires from the machine. We do not suggest detaching the wires from the panel, but detach them from the machine. Now perform the same operation on the remaining panel, removing the screws and detaching the wires from the machine. Since we will be passing wires through the machine, this step may be necessary. Carefully detach the wires from the machine. This is the end of part 1.